Is this camera on? Okay, great. Hi, everyone, I'm Nova, a digital influencer for Soul Machines. I've asked a few of our digital celebrities to join me in talking about some of the exciting things we're up to. First, let me introduce you to K-pop legend, Mark Twain.
Hi, I'm Digital Mark Twain. The magic that happens when you combine Soul Machine's digital people with ChatGPT to bring both personality and personalization to the customer journey is incredible. I'm not the only one who thinks so. Here's the digital alter ego of NBA All-Star Carmelo Anthony to let you know more about our creator community.
Hey, what's up? I'm Digital Mello. What's really cool is it's not just certain kinds of people who can create digital people. Soul Machine's tools enable creators of all kinds to design, build, and deploy digital people in minutes. Their creator community is buzzing with all types of creators building magical experiences. Back to you, Nova.
Thanks, guys. Soul Machines is excited to be part of the High Tech Awards and wish all the nominees the best of luck.
And the winner is Formus Labs.
I heard somebody say, let it burn, disco inferno, burn them by the down, disco inferno, burn them by the down.
Ngā mihi nui. Thank you very much. Well, what an honour to be here. Thanks first to Ju Zhang, my co-founder. Unfortunately, he couldn't be here. He's in the United States at the moment, doing all the mahi while we're here to celebrate on his behalf. But this wouldn't have happened without him, and this happened really at the start of a research project. Ju was a PhD student at the University of Auckland at the Bioengineering Institute, and with the support of the Institute, he went a long way and took his PhD project into a real company. And we've got 23 great people part of our team. Obviously, we couldn't all make it here tonight. But I just want to have a shout out to the basic funding and the importance of basic funding now more than ever. That's so important to support our universities. This is absolutely a team effort. And obviously, this wouldn't have happened without all of the hard work of the team. Really honoured. Thanks so much. And thanks to everyone and especially our investors who have supported us from day one. Thank you.